Hey, what's up guys? Zach Calhoun here. If you want to start a wildly profitable virtual tour business, there's three things you need. Number one, you need hardware, the ability to take 360 photos. Number two, you need software like cloudpano.com that you can private label your own URL and build a business and a brand locally in your context. And number three, you need customers, high ticket customers that consistently come to you over and over and over again because you build a system that profitably attracts customers to you and you're able to sell them high ticket virtual tours. Just like Jordan Powers did, he sold an $8,500 virtual tour to a local community college. Check out the case study. Or Mark Rutherford sells a $10,500 virtual tour to his mayor and profits really well on a couple days work. Check out the case study. Or number three, we got Rick Brazil sells 30 apartment units on cloudpano.com. 30 apartments paid him for a Cloud Pano tour. Number four, we got Peter who sells a $3,000 tour to a private school. We got all kinds of niches and applications for the super hot trending virtual tour business model that's happening right now. And they're building these on Cloud Pano. So do me a favor, check out the case study bundle I created for you. It's a plethora of cool stories where users just like you hop on the platform and then go pitch customers with specific ways and tactics we have built out for you guys. And if you're brand new and you're trying to get started soon, stop for a moment, open up a new tab and search virtualtourprofit.com. There's a webinar there that will teach you how to attract high ticket clients, how to upsell them, how to source locally so that you have a team who's shooting virtual tours for you instead of you running around all over the place and not making much margin. It's time to raise your prices, charge subscriptions, copy and paste the strategies of other people on the platform, and let's grow a profitable, fun business together. My name's Zach Calhoun. I'm excited to join you on your journey. Click below, download the case studies. Let's go make some money. I'll see you there.